Now available. AMSOIL Signature Series 0W-16 100% synthetic motor oil is engineered for enthusiasts seeking maximum protection and performance. Precision formulated with cutting-edge technology to provide engine protection that outperforms the highest industry standards. 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear, 28% more acid neutralizing power than Mobil 1, protects turbochargers 72% better than required by the GM Dexos 1 Gen 2 specification, 50% more cleaning power versus AMSOIL OE motor oil, trusted by professional engine builders, guaranteed protection for normal service up to 25,000 miles, 700 hours, or 1 year, whichever comes first. Severe service up to 15,000 miles, 700 hours of operation, or 1 year, whichever comes first. Severe service conditions include commercial or fleet vehicles, excessive idling, frequent towing, hauling, plowing, and driving in dusty conditions. The Signature Series line is now available in 0W-16, 0W-20, 5W-20, 0W-30, 5W-30, 10W-30, 0W-40, and 5W-50 viscosities.